What's up, folks? Alright, we're cleaning the Airbnb today. We had some folks in here that stayed for a good little while. Some traveling nurses. They stayed for about 2-3 months. About 3 months, what they typically stay. And we got to do some cleaning today because we have some more folks coming in. This is a shorter stay in particular, and I've been in here already a little bit. They did a good job in here and keeping the place clean. I need to order some more of those because they got broke from guests coming in. You can see I need to order some more to figure out where to get them from. There's a fridge there, so I might look on eBay. But they did a pretty good job. Let me see if they scratched my pots up. Nope, they did good. So I bought these because I had some old ones in here, but I bought these before they came. And you know, they're not scratched up, which is a good thing. They cost $100 and something. But they did really good. Didn't use the stove at all. Typical of women nowadays. Now let me stop. What in the world happened up there? Looked like something got banked. They did use this because I can see, because I cleaned that as well. But they did a really good job. It was a couple out of Florida. They washed the towels. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to wash those again just to be on the safe side of things. Looking behind there. But it looks like they did a pretty good job overall. One thing I don't like is this right here. You can see that brown yellow coloration. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm going to try to wash this. It's not really dirty, but it has a lot of lint, so I can get that off. But it also has hair up there. If I can't get the hair out of it, then I'm going to throw it away because I have another to replace it. Costs about $29, I think they do. All of the smaller hangers broke. Interesting, but it's okay. I started wiping off this counter here. Haven't really done much else other than spray it down. But they did pretty decent. Not sure what that is. They did pretty decent for the stay though. I think this was a I'll have to look it up to be for sure, but I think it was a $5,600 stay. So $5,600. I think that's what it was in particular, if I'm not mistaken. And it was about a 3-month stay, somewhere around there, because I give a discount off the original price. If they are staying for a lengthy stay. Because I think one night I got it up there for $150, $160, something of that nature. As you can see, I think last time I said that, you can see that the master bedroom is back that way. Is this thing zoomed in? No. This, you can see them little things on the ground. Doggone mice, bastards. Done been in here. And this I have corned off. I have it blocked off when guests are here because I broke the place down to, did I come in here? I don't think I did. I broke the place down to a 1-bedroom. Not bad. I need to paint that down. This right here. I did that strip to try to block some holes in between people coming here. I need to get it taken care of. But I blocked those two off to break it down to a 1-bedroom so that so many people are not staying at any particular time. Come this way, booger. then you get stumped. Just suffer and go on down here. So this monstrosity happened. I'll let you see while the guests were here. And it was not their doing. It was the water heater. Don't know exactly what happened to it, but it appears that water starts seeping out of the hose, so I'm assuming that the tank is compromised. Let's get you. Go ahead and shake a little bit. See, if y'all notice, Raid ain't like it used to be. Because back in the day, when you sprayed some Raid on something, that thing went down right then and there. Now they shake for a while. Whoa! Where did you go? Right on me. Get off me. Now you got to get sprayed some more. Come here. You little bastard. You know better than that. Trying to sting me before you die. You be ashamed of yourself. Where you go? Look, he's still kicking down there. Now, back in the day when you sprayed something with Raid, they were out in there. Now they shake it for a long time before they die. And then they go real slow. But you can see the water heater start leaking out the top of it. Some out there, it appears to be, I don't know what happened to it, but it has to be that the tank is compromised. So I have to replace this water heater today because I have a guest coming in tomorrow. It's not hard to replace, not at all. And pretty much cut that stuff out up there. Unscrew that if you can. If you can't, you can simply cut it out and replace it with the what's that? Gator Bites, I think. Not Gator Bites. Is that what they call? Yeah, Gator Bites. I think that's the name of that company. Pretty much some plug and play stuff. But I have to clean this out and get all this stuff out. As you can see, it molded all over the place. So I may actually have to take this drywall out, which I am in no rush to do because this is a storage area. All of that's going to have to get thrown away, obviously. One thing it did do quite a bit to these pictures. Those bigger pictures cost, about $40 a piece. But what I think I'm going to do is take it over there to clean it up. You can't really come in here because they got a few stains on them. Like you can tell on the edge, it's darker than it's supposed to be. I'll see what it looks like when I finish cleaning it. If I can use it, I will. If not, I'll take it over to my rooming house setup, which is over there, and the downtown area of Greenville. You can see it kind of messed up these pictures and so on and so on as well. So I got to get this cleaned up today. I'm going to start on the inside, then we're going to work our way on the outside and just get this little bit clean. There ain't no lipsticking on my pig here, because even if you paint that back, you know what, I might can put some kilts on it though. That might be what I do. See if that'll help. And then put some kilts, I think it's a primer mixer to it, and then paint it back over before it can be used as storage. Now, I did notice on the other side that there was some water over there on the other side, but I wasn't for sure where it came from. Wasn't for sure if those kids left the door open or what. So I didn't in particular come over here to check it. And that was a little while ago. But when they left for a couple days early because they had to get home to take care of some business. I went in there and I noticed the freaking monstrosity that you see in there. So we'll get that taken care of today. Check out the garden. We got that started. Got to go back through it one more time going this way because you can see it's kind of lumped up that way. So those are not actually actual rows. So we're going to go back through it this way, and then we'll probably go back through it one more time the other way, just to break it up real good. There should be some stuff already out there. My neighbors, they got some of their stuff out already. I think he said he got some collard stalks out there. But, you know, This should be done already, but I ain't gonna call no names. We did some seedlings, seedings, some starter seeds, and that didn't go so well. So I had to redo those, uh, and we'll be getting those out shortly. But this is what I got going on today. Those of you that want to get in the Airbnb game, uh, you know, it's not hard to do. It's not even hard to get your first property. Depending on whether you're gonna buy it in cash or whether you're gonna buy it as a, FHA. It's not really hard. This property right here that I got under FHA, uh, and of course it's a duplex, runs on both sides. And then of course I got one down the road down here. It's actually long-term rented out right now versus the Airbnb game to some family members. So, if they ever move, that one down there will be going back on Airbnb. Not that I am rushing them to get out or anything of that nature. They can stay there as long as they like. They're welcome. But that'll be Airbnb as well. Downtown area, the place that I have, that's going on Airbnb one day. But that area ain't ready for Airbnb right now because, it's one of them gentrified areas where, on one side of it, you got, head towards the college area. On the other side is, you got a lot of people that hang out on the corners, that drink, that sell dope. You got the prostitutes that are out there and so on and so on. So that area is not in particular ready for Airbnb. So that's more of a rooming type setup. It's not bad though. It's a duplex as well. It's 3 bedrooms on both sides. It's $500 a room per month. Not really a month. I do $125 a week. I don't do anything about a month. Just to keep it as shorter term stays. But that's what we got going on right there. But we're gonna get this taken care of today, get it knocked out, and that's gonna be the end of it. But it's not hard to do. If you want to get you a property, get you one. Stop waiting. Well, maybe not right now. Let me slow down. It is a seller's market still. If you can find a great deal on one, then it'll be worth jumping on right away. But if not, you can wait until the market reset itself, and then get your property under FHA. You got your low down payment. The only thing about HAA is you have to pay PMI, which is principal mortgage insurance, for the entire life of the loan unless you refinance it. Contrary to or versus if you had a conventional loan, once you reach, I think it's 20% of that loan, then the PMI insurance drops off. And typical, I think on this one is what PMI is like 88. Could be higher, somewhere around about $88 a month or something of that nature. So you add that up over the lifetime of 360 payments. Yeah, that's a good amount. So, there's many loan options out there, different things that you can do. It's just a matter of, looking into it, doing you some research. Go and get you that property, throw it on Airbnb. And even if you don't want to buy a property, you got, Airbnb, the arbitrage type setup where you can rent somebody's place and with their permission, you can sublet it on Airbnb. So, it's ways to be done. Get it knocked out. But I'm about to knock this place out and get it done, get it taken care of. And, go to Lowe's. Let's get a water heater. Get that knocked out. Very easy fix. Drain it. Cut the pipes. Unloosen the pipes, whichever. Take them out. Put the old one in place. Hook it back up. Get the electrical hooked up like it properly should be. And that's the end of that. But I'm out. Catch y'all later on the next one.